Mama wakwaba, wafreme Ajwa searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel. Mia notification bell also for more news.
A country is not run with one big guy who thinks that he can go and break everything and then pull everything that he wants to do. No. Question me be say simple say yes so that ben na wote say yes CD and now say dollar ekosoro e ma dollar na bafom. This is the fucking first time. That is what I want you to recognize. This is the first time. And that tells you say aban bi shewa wo ye adwuma. Aban bi shewa wo ye adwuma e de boa Ghana. Asiafo anyansa ni mutiri munya ato na mo de just ma ton madwene. Let me just tell you guys. Mo hwe so nya mo campaign. Na me muntumi ntaache me. Whatever plans you are planning no e bo kama me muntumi ntaache me. Because me the team mu no so chance am say mu no na mo te platform so am planning for me no. Na me no just say my how do you call it, busy. My busy to get certain things done. Until I say these days na me share them NPP and come no be share pa na dia mo be no mo ye ne yenhwe. Me bagana how many months? And I'm here day. Bomba cloud. Don't find me man. Obi aba me page in so sebe or ha me. Ah. What's the main fruit be mama nya fruit ni pan one ba fe me my busy me ye me duma me na be. All right. Hey, Kwesi Apia crying. Don't let NDC destroy your heart, for they are just nuisance. They have no shame and will never change. Ah, Enya Jimmy said. Enya Kwasi asem. How do you tell me say I buy or no the dollar no coin went to me and found my phone? Obi the dollar no coin so no the dollar no perform. What does that tell you? Or you capable or you competent? And I said the fundamental and NDC if we be born in some more candidates and someone wakano e kumu nipa. One na so muni na ya kromfo, one so kan ho bi. NPP for ya akromfo e wo ka ho. NPP for ya Jimmy for e wo ka ho. NPP for wi abem no ni chief instructor a wo kire mo fa we sha ne yen wia. Nti e den no no abeka tro so ono ne de no ate ne ho. Nti ono no ye holy. Nti e say be NPP nya papa. Like I said, I don't want to give reverence to that camp because some of them still hasn't come to grasp it. Said there be the ankrofo came. Papa is simple no be ye dache any da so a nia me bi wo no ho esese yetumi boa e ma no tumi tete free no ho nia me bi wo ho a ese otumi sua na otumi build no ho udo obi a o ka ne mfom so kire no. You don't let them become elephant in the room. You are an enabler to bad things because of their obedience to me kan anim say chairman dia wa ye sometimes ojina stage so na say okasa otumi ka asem ni bi okan ya na mo ankasa mujira oni ni na mujira say ye de na ekoso na abela mo mujira ona etumi jira say na de na ekoso because you can see from their facial appearance and say they are not happy with what is going. Just so ye liar ye to me can. And if the fundamentals are weak, why shallow? Is that not so? Isn't it so? Isn't it so? Say if your fundamentals are weaker, the exchange rate would expose you. Didn't it happen during Mohammed's time? NPP before there, didn't it expose them in 2022? Whereby, because of the things that they have spent money on during the COVID, Niama mama free, Sia Yabuni free, electricity Yabuni free, Sika editor then fair fumigation, yeah, they are the fumigating markets, their schools, dormitories, now there, you keep all of that so that kids can go back to school. All those money, all those expenses, that was not budgeted for. Something we forget. Definitely no, and the whole beba betoho. So you'll be exposed in that way, say you didn't have that much money and you had to spend. Because your priority as a government was to save lives. And someone another can, you know. Also, to save lives. Hey, today let's go according to Mwankasa Monsemo mo person mo de say ba omi adin no. Last me baby sa mo say. Ghana yesi sway, we NDC new, we a PQYO, we a Kwiadonko, sa de we mo be answer. Now so me and mo be answer because moya mo ho say mo person mo de no kure ebedi sebe adwuma e wo Ghana ho. Me bisa mo say da ben from Rollins in Kroma one time. Yeah, ma me no mo amanyini e champ on no time. Da ben na mo say yes ya too crazy mu ako 2 cedi. Now what you me ensechi yes ya so from 2 cedi na dey about 1 cedi and I say 50 pesos. Mo ma me sa date no. Mo me yan cross check sa date no. Some passe bawomia and our son and economy now to take economy now pansama. Fair enough. Let's give you your own stones. Question maybe someone say yes see so na ajiman boating and na ejenim boating na so me one year me person the end this before me can try what year I told petrol mu Ghana I take petrol so on me can try I'm waiting for them. Those scholars in NDC, those communicators in NDC, those gurus, including Mahama, who is coming to Canada next week here, channel. No, I lucky say me ankasa no engofo bi de me akasa. Anka bo anka ye ko bo ahopa ko hia no kwan pa wo PS ho no. Ko no anka obefili. Ka de we abekwa ko hia Mahama e wo PS na airport ho no. Ba bia wo de sebe Airbus ni sika ko ni na anka obekwa akofia mayansa no wakọ na enso e yo bi man so ye ntimi nyimi pi. Obi my suntia ntimi nyimi pi ba question na me bisa no Wilson Kofi or say it has never happened. It has never happened. It has never happened. And now me no can say this was what even going to December 2022. Now your top petrol around 23 cedi. Me boa 23-22 cedi. Me pa cho me boa na. Hello. Let's do this simple basic analysis. Some person will failure, fine. Let's take it say we failure. Me say, since you see so, Omai, big up yourself. I want you to because I know you grew a little in Ghana before you came here. That Ben I would say, yes, Ghana, ya two petromu, ako 2 cedi. 3 weeks down the lane, ya two from 2 cedi no, at the above 50 pesos, and now 1 cedi. I want that year. Anybody now or call that he doesn't know what he's talking about. I want you to teach me so that I know what I'm talking about. Come and show me where. Salifu, big up yourself. Obi said it has never happened. It has never happened. Mutie the Americano and see that yes say yeah chichire Ghana I'm a Ghana be friend into my pay fry Ghana near wutie me na no pay na awie me say monchira me da ye two petrol mu two crazy mu a ade a chen ya ye call ya ye ko hu say ya ti petrol no so monka ba ko nchira me